guys, this is 하비디자인 channel. Nice to meet you. Today we are going to make a Christmas wall tree. All you need is cotton cloth, acrylic paint, and Legos. Now let's get started. Hey girl, are you ready?
Yes.
What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your hobby?
Yeah.
오, 해보세요. 끝. 야.
Ha 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 ha!